going to do a Uno fun game.
Okay, so we are back with a fun game, and we have some Uno cards, and we will be doing some game for a math concept. So let's start. Shreya, pick a card and don't show me, and tell me whether it's an even number or an odd number.
That is even number.
Okay, it's even number, and is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
Less than 5.
Okay, even number.
Yes.
Less than 5. 2,
No.
4,
No.
0.
Correct.
Okay, so that's 0. Okay, next one. My turn. It's an even number and it's greater than 5.
8.
Correct, it was 8. Pick up your card. Yes.
That is odd number.
Okay.
That is less than 4.
Odd and less than 4. 3,
No.
1. Okay. Last chance. Let's try. It's a odd number and more than 4.
More than 4. 5.
Yes. So in this way, you can just try to change something in this if you want. We just tried this with even odd concept and greater than and less than, because Uno cards have only numbers from 0 to 9. So you can use this concept for using less than 5 or greater than 5. So it is very great to just revise these concepts. So stay tuned for more videos.
Bye bye.